In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Speechify subscription. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Speechify website. Once the site loads, log into your account so you can access your subscription settings. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you've used more than one account in the past. After logging in, take a moment to confirm that you're viewing your subscription plan information first. This is important because you want to make sure you're in the right place before making any changes to your account. Seeing your current plan details will help confirm that you're managing the active subscription. Next, look toward the account section near the bottom of the page and click on it. From there, choose Settings. This will open the area where you can manage your account preferences and subscription details. Inside Settings, make sure you're on the General section. This is where Speechify places the main account and plan information, so it's the right place to continue. Once you're there, look for the Speechify Premium section. Beside it, you should see the option that says Cancel Subscription. Click on Cancel Subscription to begin the cancellation process. At this stage, the platform may show you a confirmation prompt or a final review screen. Read it carefully so you understand what will happen to your premium access after cancellation. To complete the process, click Continue Canceling. This confirms your request and finalizes the cancellation. After that, it's a good idea to double-check that the cancellation went through successfully. If the page updates or shows a confirmation message, that usually means the subscription has been canceled. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Speechify subscription quickly and easily through the website.